What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Ben here, and I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video I want to take you along with me to Cadillac, Calgary, just to see some of the new collection that Cadillac has to offer in 2026. Now they also do have some vintage cars, and that while we are going to try to explore today together. So stay tuned guys, and I'll catch up with you guys in a few. So this is the main entrance. So let's see what they have on this side. So this is a hybrid Escalade 2026. See the inside. So this is the inside. It's large enough for a family of 7 or 8. Very spacious inside and looking all good. Escalade Kia. That's the back of it. What a comfort. So you have enough room here at the back. So that's the front of the car, and this is the back. Enough leg room as well compared to some other seater, 7-seaters I need. So I'm here sitting at the back. So this is the second row, and then you have the third row. If you look down here, you have plenty of leg room if you own any of this car, and you have like a central controller here in the middle as well. It's a monitor, touch screen, and then you have another touchscreen monitor there in the middle. Look at this panoramic roof on this one here. What a comfort. So this is a 2026 Escalade, and yeah, 2008 $208,000 in 2012. You got this plus tax. Okay, I'm still here, guys, exploring the new Escalade 2026. I wonder how it's gonna feel like driving this car on the road. View the size of it and the comfort I'm seeing inside, and tell me what do you think. And this is not just, comfort. It's luxurious inside as well. They don't have many buttons, so the design looks like they try to minimize, the use of buttons. And they have this waiting area as well. Okay, now that I'm done on the ground floor, I'm gonna take you to the first floor to see some vintage cars. And they have, as in any other dealership, they have like this, shop here where you can shop t-shirts and hats and, Okay, some of the famous Formula One drivers for Cadillac. Check this out. Okay. Okay, we're going to take the stairs now and go up to record some of the vintage cars. Okay. Okay, second floor. That's where we're going to. actually on the top floor, as I said, where they have vintage cars. It's right here. What's this one here? More cars on this side. I'm not quite sure if this is an Escalade or a different model. Oh, this is a Vist. Is it a Vist or a Vistic? Again, 7-seater as well. Not sure if this is one of the newest model or something that they had in the past already. Okay, as you can see, the dashboard here looks different. The screen is a bit smaller than the one in the Escalade. Okay. So this is 690. Probably somebody did a trade-in. So you bring your old vehicle to trade with a new Escalade. Wow. 690 is pretty good. It's big inside, large enough for family cars, and great design as well. Let's see, how much is this? There's no price on it. But it had 33,000 kilometers on it. It's a used car, 2025. Okay, more pump on this side here. Shell. Okay, so I'm gonna take you to the front and record from the other side and just see what classic cars do they have in here. There's only 2 of them in store right now. I don't know if they have more coming in or not, but this is what they have inside here. Okay, now more pumps. I guess these are vintage pumps. Well, if gasoline pumps used to look like this, then they used to look so cool, then what it looks like right now. Okay, and on this side they have this vintage Rolls Royce looking Cadillac. Seems like all the cars used to look like this. And nobody getting married today. Car used to look pretty good back in the days. It looks like there were more work put into cars than it is right now. You know, everything is minimal and they don't really have anything as impressive as this one here anymore. Look at these details here on the door. And again, the wheels, big wheels, as I always said. Another trending Mercedes. This looks like the GLC type of model. Again, probably a trade-in. So somebody brought the AMG Mercedes for a new Cadillac. Wheel is talking for itself. Yeah, GLA. AMG. Oh. Let's check out this Mercedes. Okay, I was just looking inside this Mercedes. It looks so cool. 5-seaters. Oh, check out the screen here, the dashboard. Yeah, that looks so cool.
I'm locked in. Guess I'm locked in. Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. Word is going, see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake. Loops trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going MIA from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul.
Okay, now that I'm done, I'm just gonna try to record outside as well. They do have more cars on this site. So they have a few Cadillacs outside as well. Let's try to see what we can find on this side. So I was up there on the top floor where they have classic cars. So yeah, and we out. Now that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning back in. So today's video was about visiting some of the new collection from Cadillac Calgary, and I hope you enjoyed the full video. Again, thank you so much. If you're new here, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and come back for more. So this is it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay blessed. Peace.